This video shows step-by-step how to implement a floating menu for a floating action button, together with a few practical examples. Once you have mastered the basics, your only limit is your fantasy. Today we'll see how to make a simple floating pop-up menu. First, I create a new view with some components and most of the items we have seen previously. Right now is the moment to create also the code base for the view controller. Clean up the code. Connect the file to the view controller. If the navigation bar has no constraints, the label alignment appears incomplete. Let's create the menu view and its buttons. The size and distance depend on the average finger size and device extensions. Please make sure to give a comfortable space to everybody. Menus need quite a lot of tweaking, as you will notice. The perfect look and feel is a question of experience and time. No menu looks good at the beginning. Let's remove the view's background color. The floating action button is now below the view. Let's change that. The best place for adjusting constraints is found under the triangular button. Make small changes at a single time and choose then, for the selected view, update constraint constants. If you apply too many changes at once, Xcode becomes confused. For connecting a lot of controls to the code, it is possible to copy and paste one connection, rename the copy and repeat. The connection circles are now empty. We pass over with the mouse until a plus symbol appears and drag to the respective control. This operation makes a connection to the control if the type declarations are correct. This method, however, has some flaws, which may execute other controls code. For this reason, be extra careful. Similarly, actions can be created and connected. We also connect the constraints for the view, which are not so easy to get. Let's tweak the menu again. This function creates a round button and optionally makes it float. Now we can remove this code and use our function instead. Let's set the new first view controller. The emulator shows us the menu with the rounded buttons. Nothing happens. In order to resize views, we need to dig deeper into the computing magic. In order to avoid unwanted clicks on miniature buttons, we add some code. Normally, these buttons are parked outside of the main view, or right under the floating action button. You may also embed them into your design. That's all for today. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.